Hey everyone, today I am unboxing this 85-inch tall travel tripod, which is great for photos and videos. It has a long flexible gooseneck and a sturdy phone holder that works with iPhones, Samsung and Android phones. The standard screw mount also lets you attach small cameras like DSLRs, action cameras and webcams. This tripod can rotate easily and lets you shoot in horizontal or vertical mode. With options for 360-degree views, low and high angles and portrait or landscape shots. It also becomes a selfie stick. Just fold or detach it to take selfies, group photos or videos. It's perfect for YouTube, Facebook Live, video calls or even just watching TV. Plus, it comes with a wireless remote that works up to 33 feet away and is compatible with both iOS and Android phones. Made of high quality aluminium, this tripod is lightweight but strong, with non-slip rubber feet and wider legs for stability. You can adjust the height from 17 to 84 inches and it's portable too. Folding down to just 17 inches and weighing only 1.35 pounds, ideal for travel, hikes, parties and outdoor activities. Let's set it up and see what it can do. And by the way, I ordered it from Amazon. So check out the description for the link if you want more details.